Right now we are in Akhnoor sector, close to the line of control. 300 meters away from this place are Pakistani posts, and we are with the patrol party. Today also they are on high alert, but yes, they are missing one man, Lieutenant Umar Fayaz. You are missing your commander. आज आप अपने कमांडर को मिस कर रहे होंगे।
हाँ, हम बिल्कुल अपने लेफ्टिनेंट साहब को, उमर फैयाज साहब को मिस कर रहे हैं। आज वो हमारे साथ पेट्रोल में नहीं है, इसका हमें बहुत अफसोस है और उनको हम बहुत ज़्यादा अफसोस कर रहे हैं। वो कभी हमें जब पेट्रोलिंग के दौरान होते थे तो हमेशा लीड करते थे कि बोलते थे आप पेट्रोलिंग में चलो, सब चलते हैं साथ, और उसके बाद में जब चलते थे तो बहुत आगे से लीड करते थे। बोले साहब ऐसे चलना है, चलो कोई भी दिक्कत होगी तो मैं आपके आगे हूँ। तो हमारे साथ ड्यूटी पे होते थे तो हमें हर टाइम पर वो गाइडेंस करते थे। कोई भी काम होता, यदि ड्यूटी के दौरान रात को ड्यूटी पे होते तो जगह हर संतरी के पास हमारे पास आते रहते। बोले साहब सब ठीक है। बहुत चौकन्नापन था उनके अंदर, बहुत ज़्यादा वो था, इंसेंटिव थे। हर चीज़ को बहुत बारीकी से चेक करते थे, हर चीज़ को बहुत अच्छी तरह से ट्रीट करते थे और हर जवान के पास जाके हर जवान के साथ घुल मिलकर रह के और हर चीज़ को बड़ा अच्छे ढंग से उसका इस्तेमाल करते थे।
What made Lieutenant Fayaz in fact a different officer? He was of different metal. He was not only leading from the front, but he also used to motivate his troops, as we have heard from this soldier who had been deployed here for the last 4 months. 4 महीने वो आपके साथ रहे यहाँ पे। क्या खास चीज उसमें आपको लगा कि एक अलग बात थी, उसमें एक अलग दमखम था?
वो हमारे साथ ट्रेनिंग में थे, जो इवेंट इंडोरेंस होते हैं, इंडोरेंस में उनके साथ हम चले हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा उनने अच्छा प्रदर्शन दिखाया और बढ़ चढ़कर भाग लिया। इंडोरेंस के दौरान अगर हमारे टीम वर्क होता है, टीम में कोई भी बंदा पीछे रहता है तो उसको वो मोटिवेट करते थे और उसको आगे ले आते थे।
Umar Fayaz, as I remember Umar Fayaz, he was full of energy. In a very short time frame, he had established himself in the unit, and being one of the most motivated officers I had in my battalion, Umar Fayaz was one of them. And in a short span of say 4 months, he had established himself well with the troops. He gelled so very well with the troops because of his certain qualities. He was very focused in his approach. He was very professional in his dealings with the men, and also he used to wear his uniform with pride, and that was the thing which each and every soldier of my unit was proud of this little officer.
Lieutenant Umar Fayaz joined us in January, and he stayed for those 3-4 months with me till the time he was in the unit. And I found him to be a very simple and a very soft-spoken person. He was, but otherwise, as a soldier, he was highly motivated and a courageous officer that I must say.
Well, Lieutenant Umar Fayaz, not only he is the inspiration for the people of Kashmir, but the entire country. Lieutenant Umar Fayaz will continue to motivate all the youngsters coming from the valley, because the way what he conveyed it to me, that he wanted to guide them. Because as of now, what he used to feel that the people of JNK need guidance, and this is what he wanted to strive when he get posted to valley or other places. Lieutenant Umar Fayaz was a trained soldier like any other soldier, and he was not only fit enough to safeguard himself, but to safeguard the boundary and safeguard the nation. This only I can tell you about.
जी, वो हम बहुत ही बहादुर थे और अब उनकी बहादुरी के चर्चे आपने सुन ही लिए हैं, और यहाँ पे भी बैठ के वो हमेशा हमारे को बहादुरी के बारे में ब्रीफ करते कि एक दिन ऐसा काम कर जाओ जो दुनिया याद रखे।
See, Lieutenant Umar Fayaz, while he was alive, he was inspiration for hundreds of youth in Kashmir Valley. Now when he is no more, he continues to remain motivation for millions of youth in the country who are ready to join army and don uniforms so that they can serve motherland India. Pradeep Datta with Amit Bhardwaj for Times Now.